Hi, in this video, I am going to show you how to link table of content to heading in Word. First of all, we open Microsoft Word. Once it's open, here we will type table of content. And then write the names of headings. First, we will write human. The second one is physics. The third one is geography. And the last one is psychology. Then we will scroll down the second page and now, right here, we write human as the first heading. Then, go below, physics as a secondary, geography as a third heading, psychology as a last. After that, select the psychology in Word. Then click on Home. Then click on any heading option. I will select heading 1. Then, go above, and now, black the geography and then make it heading. After that, go above, select the physics and then make it heading. After that, go above and make human as heading in MS Word. After that, go above, first we will select the human and then click on Insert. Then click on Hyperlink. After that, click on Place in the document. Select the heading. After that, click on OK, and do like that with all the headings of table of content. Once all done, and then any reason if you want to remove the link to the heading, then select any heading, then click Insert tab. Then click on Hyperlink. Then click on Remove. It will be unlinked from the heading. If you select all the remaining links, then click on Insert, and then now you can see Hyperlink option is not now available. You have to unlink all the headings one by one. That's all the way how to link table of content to heading in Word. If you want to learn more about this, please comment in the comments section, and if you found this video helpful, please like it and don't forget to subscribe to this channel.